E ki te katoa I tērā. Number 7 for Mount Maunganui. Oh boy, you're on fire today. Oh, another ki mai a John Paul e kau. Here comes the piro. Ara he piro anō mō John Paul. I hei pū. Oh, ana raki tama. Get the bite. Oh, ara. Mount Maunganui walk that ball out. Number 7, here we go. Ooh, tata no e tama. Engari number 1 from John Paul's. Kei a koe tama. Kei a koe. Ooh, engari o tiro ki tērā nama tika mātahi. Flash there, boy. Wah, neaty. Oh, beautiful look. Oh, ooh. Unlucky tama engari, that play was really beautiful. Nice clean shot. Ara e te whānau, we are counting down in times. Nā reire te whānau mo tēnei kemu, and that brings us to the end of this matchup here on Court 3. What an amazing game. There was a lot of pickups witnessed between Mount Maunganui and John Paul. Plenty of intent, great effort, both sides e te whānau. Engari, kia koutou Mount Maunganui. I runga noa koutou, toa koutou tēnei kemu, kia koutou hoki John Paul Prems. Ono. Stay tuned e te whānau. Ka tae mai he kemu anō. Kia ora rai te whānau. Next up on court 3 we've got Rotorua Boys High School Prems. First, Taupo Nui Ātia. Aro mai te whānau, ka wingi mātou I tēnei ki mune. Nā reira, ai e te whānau. Next up on the court, we have Rotorua Boys High School Prem taking on Taupo Nui Ātia. He kēmu tino pai tēnei e te whānau. Ta titiro mai, kua āhua wera haere, kua hiki nei I te energy nei, I runga I tēnei kōti nā reira e te whānau. Let's watch this all together. Ka pai te whānau. At the moment, Rotorua Boys High Prem is up by 1. Taupo Nui is coming in by 2. Oh, ara, he paku slam dunky mai I a Rotorua Boys. Rawe e tama, what a pretty awesome game that we're watching here. Nice, quick, smooth, energised, number 1 coming at it, and ara e te whānau. Whoo, from Rotorua Boys High, number 1. Ka pai having a little switch over, transition over. Ka pai kia nama whitu Rotorua, tata noa tama. Let's go. Oh, and we had a little bit of a tāhai from Taupo Nui Ātia, number 2. Oh, piro mā rātou. Ka pai e tama, number 2 scored. Ana raki I pā a nama whitu mai a Rotorua tuatahi, nā reira Taupo Nui koro. Oh, rawe. Tata noa. Nice try for number 7, Taupo Nui. Oh, and there we go. There we go, e te whānau. Rotorua Boys High. Those are the shots we're asking for. Oh, and ara, let's just paku put it in, te Taupo Nui Ātia reckons. Coming in nicely. Rotorua Boys Prem at the moment, nau mai te whānau. If you've just joined us, nau mai haere mai. Who we have on court at the moment is Rotorua Boys High School Prems and Taupo Nui Ātia. And this game is heated, fast and energised. Oh. And just like that, Piro from number 9. Rotorua Boys. Ka pai, not giving up, and there we go, taupo nui a tia. Ngā marua. And laying that portal right into that hoop. Tēnā koe Rotorua boys. Ngā marua, taupo nui a tia. Oh, I whiwhia I tērā. Aroho mai. Āhua tiru ai ki te taha. No. Ara I misi ia. Engari kia kahara, anything can happen e te whānau. So we're just under 5 minutes e te whānau. Rotorua boys high are looking pretty sharp. He tīma tere moving their ball well and capitalising all their chances. You can see the confidence building with each position. Engari, we have taupo nui through, not far off. He tīma mai tonu, staying in the fight, showing resilience and just waiting for that moment to strike back at te whānau. Waiting for that moment. Loving this energy on this court right now. Oh, and ara, see te whānau, anything can happen. There we go, Rotorua boys, not wanting to lose their points. Oh, Lawe. Going up for that rebound. Beautiful. And there we go. Oh, kia tūpato Rotorua boys. Taupo nui a tia coming in. Oh, we had a bit of a tāhai. From our other side. Mama waru. Oh, ara. Oh. Whiwhi te piro engari. The point was given. Engari heipu he pakuraru I wanganui I a Rotorua boys high prems me taupo nui atia. Me tūpato ngā taha e rua. Both sides need to stay locked in here. Momentum can shift quickly in these 3x3s. Looking at wanting to get any point they can. Looking for that open. Taupo nui tia has a chance to pick up that score. Good pressure on the defence. Kare e wātea. Still plenty of time. Actually, we don't have plenty of time. Just under 1 minute e te whānau. Chū, te atahua hoki. Ka pai, and we have 30 seconds left at te whānau to the game. Let's see if they can score a couple more. Let's sink that ball, aye. Beautiful vibes here today, whānau. Oh, tae te rongo, aye. Can hear our uncle having a bit of a countdown. Oh, ko buzz mai te buzzer e te whānau, and that brings us to the end of this matchup here on Court 3, Rotorua Boys High Prem and Taupo Nui Ātia. He kēmu tino pai tēnei, a great contest from both sides, plenty of effort, intensity and heart shown right through the final whistle. Credit to both team e te whānau mō tō koutou kaha, mō tō koutou manawa nui. Nā reira, ngā mihi ki a koutou katoa hoki e mātakitaki mai nei. And of course, a big thank you to our sponsors, Navite, Apollo, and Counters mō tō koutou tautoko for supporting the kaupapa. Kia koutou hoki whakaata Māori, mo te tuku mai I tō koutou live stream uni tēnei rā. Stay tuned e te whānau because we have 2 teams coming up.
A lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
And e te whānau. And here we go, e te whānau. Next up on the court, we've got Mount Maunganui taking on te kura o koutou. He kēmu tino pai, kei mua i a tātou. Mount Maunganui bringing in that pace and athleticism, looking to start strong and set the tempo early. Up against them is te kura o te koutou, he kapakaha, full of heart, pride and ready to match the intensity from the opening whistle. Kua rite ngā tīma, kei te tatari mo te perepere, kei te tatari mo te whiowhio o te wihara. So settle in te whānau, tip off his hair, and we're going to be underway. And we're off. First position of the game. Ooh. Kia nama iwa te poro I nei. Oh, tata noa e hine. This is heating up quite nicely, te whānau. Te koutou has the ball right now. Ooh, tata nea engari kaori ai. Oh, ka rawe. First on the scoreboards, we have Mount Maunganui. Rawe. Our team are still finding their rhythm here. Bit of a feeling out phase. We can't feel out too long e hine mā. Our teams, kei te āhua rautaki tonu, ngā tīma e rua me aha. Engari, someone's about to break the ice. Mōhio kia, I can feel it. Oh, ina nei e te whānau, we have Mount Maunganui, whā. Te koutou tahi. Oho e nā rā. Kua whakahoki mai a te koutou I ngā piro. They are only down by 1, engari ki mai a Mount Maunganui e kau. Nā mātou ngā piro. Te koutu, ara. Tētahi o ngā kōtiro hoki, nama iwa I runga I te tīma te koutu. I nahi rā I mātaki au. Number 9 from te koutu. She was a beautiful player to watch. But ngā tīma e rua I tēnei rā. Ooh, te atāhua hoki. Ka tae te rongo I ngā tāta ne, I ngā tangata I ngā tāta, trying to give some advice. Pressure's on. Ooh, there was a fast pass E hine. Ana raki kia te koutu te pōro. Here we go, number 6 was making some good moves yesterday from te koutu. Beautiful player. They are all beautiful players. Having a little kōhete there on the sideline with the referee, our kōtiro for Mount Maunganui, nā marua. And hanei rā te koutu. Ooh, tata no didn't quite make that basket. Oh, aira. I tēnei wā, e te whānau ko Mount Maunganui, whetū, te koutu, whā. Oh, and number 2 has the ball. Number 6 driving up. And did we piro? Oh, not quite make it, engari kei te pai. Having a little play. Mai te koutu. Ooh, kei te tini tangata I nana. Having a little bit of a rotate. Oh, the defense is beautiful from Mount Maunganui. Kapa, what a beautiful pace of a game I tēnei ata between these two tīma. Ooh. Oh, didn't quite want to make the basket, but engari kei te pai, tarai anō kōtiro. Oh, there we go. Ka pai. Te koutu got that point. Ara kei te o mātu. Oh, what a beautiful pass. Did we? Oh, e kau kei te pai, tarai anō. Kei te rapu anō hoa. Being very strategic at the moment. 24. Mai koutou. Oh, no, we give a pāhi. Oh, didn't quite get that bucket. So we're just under 2 minutes e te whānau. Nau mai haere mai mena kua tai mai koe. Ki te mātakitaki. Ko ngā tīma e rua kei te purei. Ko Mount Maunganui me te koutou. Oh, beautiful. Oh, there goes. Woo. My favourite. This is my favourite. I love those shots. Engari, kei te omatonu. Oh, our points haven't gone up yet. Engari, kei te pai. Oh, rawe. Mount Maunganui. And Piro from Mount Maunganui. Oh. Kia kahara ngā tīma e rua. Number 2, Mount Maunganui. Didn't quite make the basket. Engari kei te pai. Now we're heading up at te whānau because we only have seconds. Seconds away till that buzzer bells. Oh, wara. Mount Maunganui 15. Te koutou. Te kou. Anything can happen in these few seconds at te whānau. Oh, kia kahara. Oh. Ara, game wrapped up. Mount Maunganui for the win. And that's full time here on court 3. Mount Maunganui College comes away with the win. He mahi nui tērā, a strong performance right through the game. They set the tone early, played with pace and confidence. Credit as well though. Wha kia a pai katoa te kura o te koutou. He kapakaha showing heart and resilience. Stayed in the fight. They didn't back down e te whānau. Engari I tēnei rā, nā Mount Maunganui te wiki tōria today. The win belongs to Mount Maunganui. And to everyone watching, thank you for tuning in. Don't go anywhere. Go for a paku cup of tea. Hoki mai for the next game.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times.
Global warming is incredibly serious. We need to cut emissions, but we need to also absorb carbon out of the atmosphere. Growing trees is the only tool we have in the toolbox for taking carbon out of the atmosphere that we can do at scale. Pinus radiata takes carbon out of the atmosphere at about 5 to 10 times the rate of native planting. And so what Nativa are doing is planting the Pinus radiata to absorb the carbon, and then they're transitioning that forest into native forest so that we get the biodiversity benefit.
Ko tai tēnei ki te kotahi rau tau I ngā e nei. I raro I ngā waiwai o ngā tikanga Pākehā. E tahi o tātou te marike kei kona e noho tūpuhia I roto I tēnei aho te MΑORI. Nā reira, he mea huatu tēnei ki a rāta. Hei kura, hei tiki mō rātou, hei whaia kei ngā kahura. Hei whai atu I o rātou hia, ke mōhia I rātou ko wai rātou.
Kia ora e te whānau and welcome back. Before we get into it, we want to give a moment to give thanks where it's due. Ngā mihi nui te whakaata Māori for bringing this kaupapa to our screens, and a big shout out to our amazing sponsors. Ara ko Apollo, Navita and Caltex. We already know without their support, these moments don't happen. Now, let's set the scene. We've got a big match up ahead. The top of the pool for D, going head to head with the winners of Final 2. So whānau, we already know what that means. One of the teams have to be consistent, dominate, and sitting comfortably at the top, while the other has to fight, scrap, and earn their way here the hard way. Nā reire te whānau. Pod D Team 1 has shown strength right through the tournament, discipline, composed, and playing with confidence. But don't sleep on the winner of the Premier League quarterfinals too. They're coming in hot. So we have Hamilton and Ngā Taiatea. So you already know we have a beautiful lineup. Hamilton taking on Ngā Taiatea. Hamilton comes into this one is the top pod Ds. A team that shows consistency and control. But on the other side, we have Ngā Taiatea, winners of the Premier League quarterfinals too. This is the team that had to fight for the spot, battle test, hungry and carry moments. Here we go, whānau. The intensity on the court. It's kind of a intense moment at the moment, the feeling. Ka pai. Oh, ka mau te here we stand off like that. Ngā Taiatea. Piro ki a koutou. Oh, where our teams are both still trying to find their feet. Kei te pai, Ngā Marima is feeling the heat at the moment. Engari kei te pai, tama. And ara e tama. Ngā Marima mō te piro mō Ngā Taiatea. That ball is moving quickly at te whānau. Woohoo! Hamilton, you've been sitting at the top, but now the real test is here. Let's say, can you hold that line when that pressure hits? Ka pai Ngā Taiatea kia koutou te pōro. Oh, we're going for those big shots. Number 52 from Hamilton. Oh, and there we go. Those are the pedal that I love seeing. Woohoo! Oh, I've seen where that portal went. Having a team rotate. Ngā Mawari Ngā Taiatea. Hands it to his buddy. Ka pai na MΑORI, he's got that ball from Rotorua. Ooh, doesn't quite make it. Rotorua have come out MΑORI for 1 early, and you can feel the intent on this court at the moment, whānau. They're not just here to ease this game. Hamilton, this is where your composure gets tested. They need to remember every second counts. Huhu! Piro ki ngā tai atea. Oh. And ara. Pointa ki a Hamilton. Ka te āhua tuki mo te pōre. And up. Uhuhu! Tū meke. Piro ki a ngā tai atea. Loving the vibe here at the court at the moment. It is whānau. Vibes on the sidelines are pretty strong. The team, they're both feeling very, very calm. Calm with some fiery energy. Oh, beautiful run up. Defense on both sides is beautiful. Oh, I tahai te poro, engari ka te ki mai a kau. Nā ku te rā poro. Mabo. And pera, beautiful Hamilton. Oh, the game's getting a bit heated now, te whānau. We only have 4 minutes left on the time. Arai nā nei te whānau. Oh, this is actually quite a beautiful game to watch. Hamilton, ono, ngā tai atea, ono, tai. Let's see where this game goes. But it's whānau, just like that. We're tied up 6 apiece. Hamilton at the moment. Ooh, ara! Hamilton said, not today. Found their rhythm, and now they're right back in this fight. That early pressure from ngā tai ate. This game has shifted, and you can actually feel it on the court. Ka pai, Hamilton has the portal. Ngā tai atea. This is where it gets real e te whānau. Who controls the pace? Who handles the pressure? Who wants it more? Deadlock. Game on. Kapa, you can hear our whānau on the side, our coaches, our managers, putting the pressure on both sides of our team. But our teams will be feeling the pressure at the moment e te whānau. Ara, mena kua uru mai koe ki roto. Have you just joined in? Hamilton leading 6. Ngā tai Aotea, aroha mai e te whae, aroha mai e te whānau. Hamilton 12. Ngā tai Aotea 6. The game's a little bit heated, so getting in that vibe too. Been a bit tongue-twisted. Te kau. Kia tūpato mō ngā pāhi. Oh, boy, just like that. Beautiful. Awe, I tuki, I whakai te rapiro. Oh. Ahua nudge mai, whakaro hia te rapea ko te pai ki te tuki. Poi tūku tuki. Number 5 from Hamilton. Oh, ball got snatched by Ngā tai Aotea. 13. Oh, ara. There we go. Let's keep it coming. Oh, te roki te wā. Oh, te atawa hoki o ngā tīma e rua e purei ana I tēnei. What an awesome game to watch. Engari, me tuku mihi tātou. Hamilton have turned this game right around. Now leading, actually we're ending and we're finishing. Congratulations to Hamilton 14. Ngā tai Aotea 7. Engari e te whānau, stay with us. We have plenty more games to come. Nā reira, go and have a quick cup of tea. Hoki mai ki tō tūru and watch the game. And we're back, he te whānau. Nau mai hoki mai ki te pāreka o te kēmuna. Poitu kohu. Before we get into the matchup, we already know we want to take a moment to acknowledge and give thanks ngā mihi nui. Kia koutou whakaata Māori, bringing these moments to our screens, and a big shout out to our sponsors, Ara, Kua Polo, Caltex, and Navite. Tēnā koutou mo tō koutou tautoko. Now whānau, let's buckle up. Nā te me kei te taha koutou I au. Kua mahine rangi tāwhai, kua tō kai kōrero. And we've got first place finishers from Pool C, a team that shows mana, discipline, consistency, all tournament long. He tima no pakari tēnei. Standing across them, the winners of preliminary quarterfinals 1. A team that had grind, fight, and digs deep. You can feel the momentum building in between these teams, so they'll both be hungry to win. Te taumata teitei. First, te hunga e piki ake ana. Anei whānau, we have Pairo and John Paul opens. Ara, kua buzz mai te buzzer, kei te tatari mo te wihara. Let's get into it, whānau. We've got Pairo stepping onto the court, and we have St. Bourne's open. John Paul open. You already know the nau te whānau. Oh, ko buzz mai te buzzer. Well, ka kororo tātou pāna ki ngā tīma. We've got Pairo stepping onto the court, a side that come in a composed structure and ready to execute. He rōpū maro discipline, and their players confident in their system. Export smart ball movement and patient on attack. But across for them, John Paul opens. And you already know, these ones bring energy. Kaha, tere, me te ngā kaunui. Speed, intensity and heart e te whānau. Nā reira ara kua wihara ta wihara. And we're on. Kapa, we have Pairo with a poro. Oh! E whiwhi te piro. Did he just score? Oh, he sure did. We're only seconds into this game, me te whānau. Pairo has the poro. Ooh, anaraki e tama engari kei te pāhare tonu. Ooh. Ah, ara. Ka mai te wei. Pairo for another point. Ka pai tēnei auatanga. This game strategy, by the feel of it, they're more following the portal. Oh, ara. Here we go. I love it when the court opens up. O, ka te whawhai e nei tokorua mo te poro. Engari ki au nei, ka hoa atu ki John Paul. Oh, ai. Ara nā te mea. I aia te poro tuatai. He hit the ball first. Oh, taking it up. Oh, the blocking there was beautiful. Nice and strong. 58 going in. Ooh, tata tonu e tama. Trying to find a way. Oh, hey, John Paul. Was that a piro? Aye, it was. But ngāwiri kaha te āhua I runga I tēnei kōti. It's a calm but an intense game. You can feel the energy of both teams. Ooh, anaraki e tama. As you see at te whānau, we have a few teams that are playing on courts today. Oh, beautiful! John Paul. Whiwhika te piro. Kapai, there we go, laid that point up. The sideline crew's quite nicely calm as well. Oh, unlucky. Misspot the ball. Nā reira kia pairo te poro. There wasn't a snatch. Here we go, we have John Paul. Let's see if they're able to put more points on their point board. Oi, beautiful. Oh, Karawe. They're pretty much going try for try. Kare moiho mena I whiwhi. Kau. Oh, beautiful. Our game's lifting up. Our game's getting a bit heated now, which is awesome. The intensity is firing. Oh, beautiful. E te whānau, if you're just joining us, nau mai haere mai, both these teams are doing amazing out here. Ahua taka. You can see the efforts on both ends. Kaha te tākoro, kaha te ngākau, strong plays, and big hearts from Pairo and John Paul Opens. No one's really given an inch. Engari I tēnei wā, John Paul's in the lead. Ono Pairua Rima. kei te whawhai tonu ngā tīma e rua. Ana raki e tama. Oh, and there we go. Putting more points up on that point board. Tēnā koutou. I naina e te whānau he ka mā Pairua. Ono. John Paul ono. Oh, engari ka tina no ngā piro. Spoke too soon. Yeah, he's running around his players. We're just under 2 minutes to the whānau. So this game can go either. Oh, beautiful, beautiful defense. Oh, unlucky e tama. I love how each other's teams help pick each other up. It's really, really amazing to watch. Oh, beautiful to hear all the other teams having fun. Ka pai te whānau, we're just going under 1 minute. We want to see who's going to take this out. Who's wanting this kēmu e te whānau? Which team is wanting it more? Is it Pairo, who's on 7? Or is it John Paul Opens, who's on 6? We just need those big points e te whānau. Ooh, anaraki. Defense on both sides is amazing e te whānau. Ka te āhua karo hoki. Oh, rawe. E te iwi water contest we've just witnessed here on Core 3. Both Pairo and John Paul Open absolutely outstanding. Ko ki te tātou I te kaha, te manawa nui, me te ngākau nui, the strength was resilience. And the hearts on both sides, e hika mā. That was pretty a tight game, intense. Either team back down, te tukinga taumaha, he tukinga rangatira. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou katoa for watching. Engari, tuku mihi ki ēnei tīma. Pairoa, kua tō koutou, 7.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Te hui ngā te tini, me te mana, kaupapa ahuri. Whakapiripiri mai, whakatatatata mai rā. ASP Polyfest 2026, ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Want to catch a fuel bargain with Pumped at Caltex? Scan your Caltex app or AirPoints for 6 cents off per litre every day. And you can show your Super Gold card for an extra 2 cents off. Feels good.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.
Ka mau te wehi e te whānau. Welcome in e te whānau. Anei, 2 strong teams ready to go. Tauranga girls with skills and control. It's St. Peter's bringing in the grit and heart. Nā reira e te whānau, we already know the go. We're waiting for that buzzer. We're waiting for that whistle to fio atu. Kua rite ngā kairiwhi. Our referees are all standing by. Teams are ready on the court. Our sideline hypers are all ready. Our scorers on the table are ready. Nā reira, kei te tatari tonu mō tērā buzzer. Ara, kua buzz mai te buzzer. Kua wihara te wihara. Kua tīmata te kēmu. All the best to both teams, Tauranga Girls and St. Peter's. Ka pai tuatahi kia St. Peter's te poro. Oh, anaraki e hine, number 5 I tarai ia. Number 7 tried to put that first score. Oh, rawe. Tauranga Girls first point. Oh, e nā rā I hoki mai a St. Peter's. Namarua Tekau put the first point on for St. Peter's. Ka pai St. Peter's going in for another piro. And there we go. 2 piros should be on the board. Number 7, ka pai e hine. Oh, and pera, Tauranga Girls. Piro marato. Ka pai, Tauranga Girls taking it up. Oh, just hit that rim there, whānau. Oh, anaraki. Whānau, if you're just joining us, this game is heating up intense on both sides. Tauranga Girls standing composed under pressure. St. Peter's bringing relentless energy and fight. Kia kaha. Battles are on. Engari ai ki ngā piro. Kua tai. Whoo! Tēnā koe St. Peter's. Number 15. From St. Peter's, it's making a move forward. Oh, Tauranga Girl, kua hopi te poro, number 8. Oh, rawe na meiwa. From Tauranga Girls. Oh, karawe. St. Peter's got the ball, having another go. Oh, just slightly off e hine. Oh, ooh, I haere ki roto e ni putiki wao. Gee. The feel on the court is getting a bit intense now i te whānau, so they're really wanting to win these games, both sides of the teams. Pressure is on. Oh, nice. Ara pira o mo tauranga girls anō. Alright, tika e rā kōrero, ka pai referee. Oh, beautiful, sneaking down in there, looking for a gap, and ara. Oh, fiery game, even on the floor. Ika kotiroma. Beautiful though. Both see that both team wants their poro. We had a little bit of a rotator there. Oh, boy, can't play. St. Peter's. Did you see that shot? Hui, ara. Tauranga girls, teko. St. Peter's, rima. It's funny, anything can happen though. We've already seen it this morning. Teams going high with points. And the other team comes out of nowhere. Oh, boy was taken underneath. Oh, unlucky kōtero, that would have been beautiful. Oh, did you see that? Oh, St. Peter's. Stop it. Oh, I seen it. Oh, we're going pointer for pointer. Whaha, rawi e nei tēmu. Oh, we're not giving up on both sides. Oh, I hinga tētai e ni whakaro tana hoa me takoto au hoki. Oh, rawi St. Peter's coming in for the comeback e te whānau. Oh, engari kei te ki mai tauranga girls. E kou. Oh, ara. There we go, pointer. Oh, they're loving the floor at the moment e te whānau. Oh, he just stole their ball. Kia kaha. And there we go, Tauranga girls, another pedal. Don't be fooled e te whānau. This game can go either way. Oh, hika. Ke rungi te papa. Oh, what a beautiful comeback. Oh, and ara, Tauranga girl for the pedal. E te whānau, we are nearly under a minute, Sue. Ka pai tahi minute left on the timer. 1 minute left on the time. Tauranga girls in St. Peter's leaving it all out on their court. Nothing but respect for these both teams. Few seconds rolling into the end in Te Whānau. Let's see if St. Peter's can put any more up on their board. Oh, Pakimaku I runga I te kōti. Unsure if it might be from water or ka te heka te wera. Tērā pe ka haere tonu. Oh, e te whānau. Tauranga girls in control. Ka pai ko ngā piro I tēnei, ko ngā piro. Te kaumā kia Tauranga girls, St. Peter's, iwa. Nā reira e te whānau, kaue a haere. Hoki tō tika mai, go and get yourself a cup of tea. Nā te mea, we haven't finished yet.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Te hui ngā te tini, me te mana, kaupapa ahu. Whakapiripiri mai, whakatatatata mai rā. ASP Polyfest 2026, ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Want to catch a fuel bargain with Pumped at Caltex? Scan your Caltex app or AirPoints for 6 cents off per litre every day. And you can show your Super Gold card for an extra 2 cents off. Ah, feels good.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.
E te whānau nau mai, hoki mai. First, big mihi to Whakaata Māori for bringing us this kaupapa and ngā mihi nui to our sponsors. Ara, Apollo, Caltex, ara Konavita. We appreciate your support and we already know if it's not for you, this kaupapa wouldn't be going ahead. Now as you see at te whānau, we have two amazing teams on the court, warming up tētai ki ngā taha, one in the corner having strategy kōrero, e tētai runga I te kōti e whakamahana ana I te tima. Nā reira, kia tātou, St. Peter's, te kurakapapa Māori o Hurunga Te Rangi. Hui, tērā ingoa, heka mai. Tawa ingoa had me on yesterday. Hee. Hoki anō I te whānau, another important place in semi-finals, and trust me, these ones get physical. Third place coming and with something to prove, while sixth place will be hungry for an upset. He pakanga tēnei, it's going to be a grind. Third round robin versus sixth round robin. Nā reira, all the best. St. Peter's, me te kurakapapa Māori o Hurutenga Te Rangi. Big mihi also to our referees that have taken time. Seen a few different referees and how they ref, and it's pretty amazing e te whānau. Ka pai, ko te mata tō tātai kēmu ākua nei, kua rite ngā kairiwhi, kei te ki mai, you got the whistle, ki akaha. Ara, kua huri ke raua, kia tātai he kōhini ki rungara, taking control. Ara, kua buzzer mai, kua wihara te wihara. Let's go! Number 5, St. Peter's. Let's see who gets their first point on the scoreboard. We've got a bit of a snatch from Te Kurakapapa Māori o Hurunga Te Rangi. Oh, beautiful, beautiful screening there. Engari, we received a pero e te whānau. Pero from Te Kurakapapa Māori o Hurunga Te Rangi. Whānau, if you've just joined in, no mai haere mai. Welcome. The teams that are playing are St. Peter's and Te Kurakapapa Māori o Hurunga Te Rangi. Ka pai, the ball's going around really nice and smoothly. Oh, did you see that? Iki there? Because I did. Woohoo! St. Peter's putting it on the scoring board now. Oh, kei te pai kōtero. Kei te kite au hoki. Kei te tautoko aue. Hika mai ahua taiwi e runga i te poro. Engari look at me. Ara, kei te purei. The game's intense e te whānau, especially if you're going to slide on the floor like that. Fui. Ara, te kura kapapa Māori o huru te ngatera. Huru ngaterangi. Ai, box out e hoa. E nara, e piro anō mo te kura kapapa Māori o huru ngaterangi. Oh, ka pai. St. Peter's. A little nifty kōtiro I te Rotorua. The opportunity I see that our kōtiro get to do those big points, they take them. Anaraki kōtiro. Engari kia te pā, haere tonu. Oh, got number 5 from St. Peter's. Screening's amazing. Oh, he rātou, he ngā tīmei rua ki te toa I tēnei kimu. Ara, travelling. Ka pai uncle. Oh, they're finding it hard to get those, that ball in. We know we're sitting at an amazing game I te whānau nā te mea tata ki te 5 miniti and tiro ki ngā piro. Ngā kōtiro. None of them want to give up. None of them want to give each other points. Ka pai ke te ahua wanga rātou I nainau. Kei te tīmi, kei te rautaki, kei te tini ngā kaipurei. Kei te kōrero rātou ki wanganui I a rātou. Ara, ko rite te referee. E te whānau mena kua kuhu koe ki roto. If you've just joined us e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai. St. Peter's, te kurakaupapa Māori o Hurunga Te Rangi is playing at the moment. Oh, ara e piro mai a St. Peter's. Ka pai, that evens us out e te whānau. Oh, the game's going to become intense. Oh, just short by a bit e hoa, bub. Oh, did you see that from St. Peter's? Because I seen it. Rawe. Ka pai kia St. Peter's he piro. Hau ki ana I whakaroa St. Peter's I whiwhi e piro. Engari ara, te kura kaupapa Māori o huru te o huru Ngāterangi has made a piro on that scoreboard. Both teams are locked in and ready. St. Peter's bringing that focus. Te kura kaupapa Māori o huru Ngāterangi matching it with intensity. Ka pai kei te kororo ngā kairewhiri. Ho atu te poro. Number 4 for St. Peter's. Oh, there we go. Now this is where it becomes intense te whānau. Oh, bringing it back, St. Peter's. Oh, anarake e hine. You gotta keep trying for those pointers. Oh, beauty. Areo. St. Peter. I tēnei waka ki mai ngā piro, St. Peter's whā, te kura kapapa Māori o huru Ngāterangi 3. Ara, kua tini ngā piro. Now that looks amazing. St. Peter's 6. Te kura kaupapa Māori o huru Ngāterangi 3. Katini. I nai whā. Ooh. We're just under 2 minutes at the whānau. Oh, the screening's amazing. Now it's coming to become intense. Ka pai, she's open. And she get it out. Ooh. Ooh, anarake e hine, that would have been beautiful. Just under 1 minute, it's whānau. But we've got a little bit of focus here now at the whānau. St. Peter's will try and hold that ball. Oh, ara. Congratulations. E te whānau, that's us. St. Peter takes the win today. Strong performance right to the end. Te kura kaupapa Māori o huru te Ngāterangi, nothing but respect, heart, effort, pride shown on their court. Hoki anō e te whānau, ngā mihi kia whakaata Māori for bringing us this kaupapa.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Te hui ngā te tini, me te mana, kaupapa ahu. whakapiripiri mai whakatatatata maira. ASP Polyfest 2026. Ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Want to catch a fuel bargain with Pumped at Caltex? Scan your Caltex app or AirPoints for 6 cents off per litre every day. And you can show your Super Gold card for an extra 2 cents off.